All right, so today we are going to pretty much make a baby sink, and the total cost of this I think was like $12, which is not bad. We got this from Goodwill for $3.99, which is just like a stainless steel bowl, and then we have this cute like little side table. There was another one, but obviously we just need one. So I'm gonna cut the hole for this and walk you guys through that. So here we go. So we're gonna center this in the middle, and then we're just gonna like mark our lines on where we want to cut. So okay, so we're gonna start off with this little hole right here. We're gonna use to drill in here. We're gonna do about like a 1/4 inch away from like the lip of the bowl. As you see, there's a lip here that it needs to sit flush into. So we're gonna cut it with a jigsaw. So I'm gonna use this just to start point, and then we're gonna make our way around with the jigsaw so that way it fits flush, and then all we have to do is seal it. I should wear glasses, shouldn't I? Okay, so we cut our hole, and now we just put it in so you guys can see it lays flush. And then we're gonna figure out where to put the water pump. I got this water pump off of Amazon, super cheap. We're gonna drill a hole to fit this snug, so it slides right into the water underneath, and then that way he has like a sink for himself. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys us doing that. This. You got it. You got it. Go push harder. Ah! And some soap. And then some more soap, and watch. Wow, look at that. I see, you can wash your hands. Isn't that cool? Good job. Off. Good job. Yay. Here, dry your hands. Other hand. Good job. All done. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And for more cool DIY tricks and fun stuff, definitely hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of cool things on my channel. Yeah. Bye guys.